This is a youngster, and they're not born with all their teeth. They're only born with the first three premolars. And well, actually, when they're born, they don't have any teeth, most of them. Now, if they go longer than full term, when they hit the ground, they will. But they don't get any of these incisors or the premolars until 6 to 8 days. And they're just gums right there. Partly due to when they suck on the mother, she's got a full bag and her little titties are sore. They don't want those teeth rubbing on them. And and the tongue gets underneath the tit on the mare, but then the top one still can go. But so 6 to 8 days, then that's when they get their three little premolars, and then a year later, the fourth molar comes in, and at two they meet, and then a year after that, the fifth molar comes in at three, and then in wear at four, and the last one, well, they say that comes in at 3.5 and in wear at 4.5. But there's a lot of the sixth molar on a lot of these horses doesn't even come in. They don't even come into contact till five. And for whatever reason, I've noticed over the years, you can keep them out good. When those teeth start cutting, the last teeth on the top and bottom, a lot of times they go off of feed because those teeth have a really hard time because they're curved to erupt. So their gums get real sore and tender, like they teething, like a baby would. And they'll chew and put their head up and down and feed it. So it's not always somebody did something wrong with the horse's teeth. It's that certain age that happens. And then again, they shed 24 teeth between 2.5 and 4.5. So there's these first three, top and bottom. Hold this up. These up here and down here, 2.5. These at three, and those at 3.5. And so then 6 months later, they come into contact. So when a horse chews or eats, if those caps are loose and the roots are wiggling in the gums, it's very painful. And the rideability goes out the window on top of the sharp teeth because the teeth lay outside the lowers. And when you turn the eyelid of the bit, when you direct rein, pushes the cheek into the sharp teeth. It's real important on these babies to, starting as a coming 2-year-old, if that's when they start training them, balance their mouth, float them up, take the wolf, extract the wolf teeth.